Did you know that over 60% of fuel system failures in the US are caused by simple mistakes drivers make before even refueling? Most people think stopping at a gas station is harmless, but every year thousands of vehicles experience premature fuel pump failures, EVAP system damage, and injector problems, all triggered by bad refueling habits you probably do without thinking. Consumer Reports shows that repairing these fuel system issues can easily cost $1,000 to $4,000, and in extreme cases, even more. From ignoring warning lights to overtopping your tank, these tiny mistakes quietly destroy your engine, increase fire risk, and drain your wallet. In this video, we are revealing the mistakes you should never do before refueling. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, refueling immediately after aggressive or high-speed driving. One of the biggest mistakes drivers make is pulling into a gas station right after hard driving, towing, or highway speed runs. When you drive aggressively, your engine bay and fuel system heat up significantly. U.S. automotive thermal studies show engine bay temperatures can exceed 200 degrees Fahrenheit after aggressive driving, which directly heats fuel rails and vapor lines. Hot fuel systems increase vapor pressure, which raises the risk of fuel expansion and vapor lock during refueling. This pressure spike stresses seals, vapor valves, and fuel pump components. Consumer Reports notes that repeated heat stress is a major reason fuel pumps fail prematurely before 100,000 miles. Letting your car idle or cool down for even 5 to 10 minutes before refueling helps stabilize fuel temperature. Skipping this simple pause can lead to inaccurate fuel levels, stress on seals, and premature fuel pump wear. Mistake number 2, ignoring gasoline smell before pulling to the pump. If you smell gasoline before refueling, that's not normal. It is a warning sign. According to U.S. emissions data, EVAP system leaks account for over 30% of check engine light cases nationwide. That smell often comes from cracked hoses, failing purge valves, or loose seals that worsen under pressure. Refueling with an existing vapor leak increases fire risk and forces excess vapor into the charcoal canister. Once saturated, that canister can no longer control emissions and may cost $800 to $1,600 to replace. Many drivers make the mistake of thinking the smell will go away after filling up, but refueling actually increases pressure inside the system. Ignoring this sign can turn a minor issue into a dangerous one. If you smell fuel, fix it before you refuel. Mistake number 3, refueling with a loose or damaged gas cap. Refueling with a loose or damaged gas cap is one of the most underestimated fuel system mistakes in America. According to U.S. EPA emissions data, a faulty gas cap is responsible for millions of failed emissions tests every year, making it one of the most common causes of check engine lights nationwide. The gas cap is designed to seal the fuel system and maintain precise pressure during refueling. When it is cracked, warped, or not tightened correctly, fuel vapors escape and overload the EVAP system. Refueling in this condition forces excess vapor into the charcoal canister, which is only meant to handle controlled vapor flow. Consumer Reports shows EVAP repairs often cost between $1,200 and $2,500, while a replacement gas cap usually costs under $20. Many drivers unknowingly destroy expensive emissions components simply by refueling with a cap that won't click or seal properly. Mistake number 4, using phone while refueling. Many drivers think phones are harmless at gas stations, but the risk not just sparks, it's distraction. U.S. safety studies show distracted behavior increases refueling accidents, including spills, nozzle damage, and drive-offs. Static electricity combined with distracted movement can create dangerous conditions, especially in dry climates. More importantly, distracted drivers are more likely to overfill or mishandle the nozzle, which damages charcoal canisters and EVAP valves. These components are expensive and often overlooked until failure occurs. Using your phone while refueling also delays reaction time if fuel splashes or leaks occur. Therefore, when refueling, attention matters more than people realize. Mistake number 5, leaving the engine running before refueling. Despite clear warnings, U.S. safety agencies still report thousands of refueling incidents caused by engines left running. A running engine creates ignition sources from electrical relays, alternators, exhaust heat, and spark activity. The NFPA confirms that vehicles left running are a known contributor to gas station fires. Beyond safety, modern fuel systems rely on precise pressure control, which becomes unstable when refueling with the engine on. This can trigger false sensor readings, EVAP faults, and check engine lights. It also increases wear on your fuel pump, which relies on cool fuel for lubrication. Replacing a fuel pump can cost $700 to $2,000 in the US. Turning off the engine is not just about safety, it is about protecting your fuel system. Mistake number 7, refueling while fuel system warning lights are active. One of the most dangerous assumptions drivers make is believing refueling will clear a fuel system warning light. U.S. automotive repair data shows that over 60% of fuel system failures begin as ignored warning lights. Modern vehicles actively monitor pressure changes, vapor flow, and sealing during refueling. If a warning light is already on, refueling can confuse onboard computers and worsen existing faults. This often leads to sensor misreads, purge valve failures, or fuel pump strain. According to Consumer Reports, unresolved fuel system warnings can escalate into repairs exceeding $2,000 to $4,000 once multiple components fail together. The safest move is addressing the warning first, instead of adding fuel and hoping for the best. Mistake number 8, refueling when the fuel tank is nearly empty. Repeatedly running your tank extremely low before refueling isn't just risky, it is mechanically abusive. According to U.S. fuel system reliability studies, modern in-tank fuel pumps rely on fuel for cooling and lubrication. When the fuel level drops too low, the pump runs hotter and draws in sediment from the bottom of the tank. Consumer Reports links repeated low fuel operation to premature fuel pump failure before 120,000 miles. Refueling after driving on fumes allows contaminants to circulate at peak pump stress. Over time, this damages pump bearings, injectors, and pressure regulators. Fuel pump replacement costs in the U.S. average $700 to $2,000. This mistake doesn't fail your car immediately, it quietly shortens its lifespan. Mistake number 9, overtopping the tank after the pump clicks off. Clicking the pump repeatedly to squeeze in a little more fuel is one of the most expensive habits drivers have. According to U.S. EPA data, overtopping is a leading cause of charcoal canister saturation. That click isn't about convenience. It signals that the tank has reached safe vapor capacity. When drivers keep squeezing fuel in, liquid gasoline floods charcoal canister, which is designed only to handle vapor. Once flooded, they lose their ability to control emissions permanently. Consumer Reports shows charcoal canister replacement can cost $1,000 to $2,500 depending on vehicle design. Overtopping also increases fuel expansion risk, especially in warm states like Texas, Arizona, and Florida. The pump shuts off for a reason. Defeating it damages your emission system silently. Mistake number 10, refueling while the fuel door or cap area is dirty. Refueling with dirt, sand, or debris around the fuel door is a professional-level mistake most drivers never consider. U.S. fuel system failure analysis shows particulate contamination is a major cause of injector and fuel pump damage. When debris falls into the filler neck, it travels straight into the fuel tank, where filters can't catch everything. Modern injectors operate with tolerances thinner than a human hair, making them extremely sensitive to contamination. Consumer Reports notes that injector-related repairs in the U.S. can range from $300 to over $2,000. Dirty refueling also accelerates wear on the fuel cap seal, increasing vapor leaks and EVAP faults. Professional fleet operators routinely clean the filler area before refueling for this reason. It is a small habit that prevents massive fuel system damage over time. Mistake number 11. Refueling during extreme heat without allowing pressure equalization. In hot U.S. states, fuel temperature inside underground storage tanks can differ significantly from your vehicle's tank. Refueling immediately after parking in extreme heat creates rapid pressure changes inside the tank. U.S. fuel volatility studies show heat-related expansion increases vapor load during refueling. This stresses EVAP valves, purge solenoids. Over time, this contributes to persistent check engine lights and vapor leaks. Letting the vehicle sit briefly allows pressure equalization and reduces system shock. This is a subtle but powerful longevity habit used by professional fleet operators. Now that you know the refueling habits that quietly rack your engine from the inside out, you're already miles ahead of most drivers. Just a few small changes at the gas pump can save your fuel pump, protect your injectors, and keep your engine running smoother for years longer. If you want more eye-opening car tips that mechanics wish you never knew, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your engine's future literally depends on it.